Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. Today I have a very fun video to film. I am so excited. I want to talk about favorites from this year that are not makeup. And we have a lot of skincare and hair care and some games and stuff that is just different than makeup, because I do have two other videos that I think I already live or will be live very soon with favorites in makeup. So let's start with hair. So for hair, I discovered this year this product. It is the Olaplex number 5P, the Blonde Enhancing Toning Conditioner. In my opinion, this makes total sense because I have blonde hair on my ends and my mid hair, not my roots anyway. So because of that, it doesn't make sense to use a shampoo for my roots that is blonde, because my roots are not blonde. So obviously this makes more sense. This I think was released this year, so it's a great conditioner, and in my opinion this is better than the normal conditioner because this is just a bit more liquidy, because the other one, it is an amazing formula of conditioner, but it is just too thick, so I need to squeeze it very hard and I need to pour it in my hand. And I'm sorry, but this is very expensive, so they should figure that out and make that one just a bit more liquidy. But in my opinion this is better. And from Olaplex as well, I've been liking this one. It is the Bond Intense Moisture Mask. This is number 8. It is great. It makes my hair feel it gives body to my hair. It feels very luscious and nice. I really like this one. It is a great mask. And this year I fell in love a bit more with self-tanner actually, and right now I do have some self-tanner on, so I'm sorry if I know that my foundation is not matching my neck right now because my neck is pretty dark. So, and my hand, please look at my hand, it is very funny. This is self-tanned, this doesn't have self-tan on, so yeah, it looks a bit funny, but I do like self-tanner and I've been loving the same one as usual, so that's the reason I'm not mentioning it, just the idea of it. For skincare, this one I do really like. It is the Superclay Purify and Clear Power Mask. It is from You to the People. It is a bit more expensive, but I got it on a sale and it's lovely. It feels like it's just refreshing my skin. I bought the Pixie one, the Glow Matte Mask. I like this one better. It's just a bit more powerful in my opinion, and I can see just how my skin is just refreshed and it looks nice. I really like it. And this one, I was thinking that this is a new product, but actually it's not. It is the Facial Moisturizing Lotion from Cerave with a pump. It's lovely. It is thin and hydrating, but it sinks into the skin pretty fast. I think it is a great face product overall for night and for the day, so I love this one. It is great. And then some other skincare that is for the body actually. This year I fell in love with Tree Hut even more. I still love my very affordable body scrubs, but this one is a bit more luxurious. The smell is just absolutely lovely. It is the Tree Hut Tropical Glow Firming Sugar Scrub. So what I like about this is that somehow it is thin, but at the same time I feel the scrubbing. So it is not, because sometimes scrubs could be a bit too silky, too creamy in a way. I need to feel the sugar, so my body will get exfoliated, but at the same time I don't want to be scratchy or something like that. And I feel like this one is just the perfect combination of that. It is not scratchy, but at the same time it's not creamy and thin. I really like it. They have just really nice body washes. Something else that I really like, it is the Yankee Candle Cinnamon Stick Candle. This smells incredible. I have another one, the vanilla one, and this is a 2-wick candle. It smells amazing, and I can just start this one for like 40 minutes and the room will smell lovely, and then I can just stop it and the room will still, it's pretty strong, but I love it. It is lovely, and I used it I think 3 times maybe, and it doesn't seem used actually, because it is a pretty good amount in here. I think it is a great candle. I really like it. Previously I recommended Bath and Body Works, still amazing candles, but this year I tasted these ones and I think they are great. If we are talking Bath and Body Works, let me recommend this one. I think I used it last year as well, but this year I really fell in love with this type of product. It is the Gentle and Clean Foaming Hand Soap from Bath and Body Works. The foaming one is the one that I really like. It's so nice while washing your hands, but the smell, it's a great experience each time. I know that it is so simple, you are just washing your hands, and I still recommend washing your hands with Protex, with a normal bar soap, because these type of products sometimes in the winter months, it is my fault. I understand that my skin on my hands in the winter time is just freaking out. I have no idea. I'm using creams, but that even creams are just making it worse sometimes. So yeah, it's not the fault of the product for sure. I have in here Cozy Vanilla Almond. It smells, like I said, it is an experience each time, so it makes me happy. I really, really like it. Let's talk about some perfumes. Of course, Kayali is still my favorite brand when it comes to perfumes. They just have great scents, and if I am reading the notes, I can buy them blindly because I know they're amazing. So still my favorite perfume brand. And I think I bought most of the releases from this year, or at least I tasted them. And my favorite ones from this year are these two. We have here Capri in a bottle and Maui in a bottle. They smell absolutely lovely. The other two from this release, one of them I know that I didn't like. It was with Ylang Ylang. It was for sure the best Ylang Ylang perfume that I smelled, but that ingredient is just, I hate it. It is what it is. But these two, just very perfect, summery, and just great. I'm waiting for Kayali to release something for the winter months, because I think in general they are just releasing a lot of spring and summer scents. I would like something a bit more dark and yummy. So I hope that is coming. And as well, this year I fell in love with Sol de Janeiro. Again, I think I tested something last year, but this year I just used them a lot. I'm almost done with all of them. This is my favorite one, the number 59. It's just absolutely lovely, but they are just great, refreshing, and again, a nice experience. I really like scent in general. It makes me just happy overall. So when it comes to candles, even hand soap, body washes or body scrubs and stuff like that, everything that is nicely scented, it makes me happy. Let's talk about anything else, random stuff that I just fell in love this year. First of all, again, very, very random, is tennis. I really like tennis and I can't wait to go again. Of course, I'm not doing anything professionally or something like that, but maybe I would like to take some classes actually, just to be a bit better. But yeah, I think for Christmas I'm gifting myself at least one racket. I would like that. Yeah. So yeah, in general I do like sports. I'm going to the gym. I love going to the gym. I just love activities in general. And then another random thing, it is my glasses. These are from Furla, and when I was little and even in high school, I really hated that I need to wear glasses, and even now, of course, I would rather not need them, but it is what it is, and I feel beautiful with these ones, and I'm happy that I found some that they look great on me. And of course I'm not using them in videos and stuff like that because they are just reflecting a lot of light, and they are really dirty right now, so I need to wash them, but I love them. Another thing is gold jewelry, maybe coming with these ones because they are rose gold, but yeah, I don't know. I really hated the gold jewelry until very recent and now I know. First of all, I knew from the beginning that gold is suiting me better because I have a warmer skin, but gold jewelry, I really like it. Right now I just purchased this necklace and these earrings that are gold. I love it right now. What else? Games. So first of all, I want to recommend a game that is a board game, but it is a bit more unique in my opinion. It is this one, and it is detective stories. So you are practically a detective and you need to solve a case and discover a murder. It's a lot of fun, and this one was my favorite, and it is great and it's nice. I really recommend it. It is a fun activity if you have like 2-3 hours in the weekend. So it is a perfect idea for a date night. It's lovely. And another idea for a date night, but maybe more date nights, are games. And we played It Takes Two, and it is so fun. The game is just so well made and it's lovely. I can't recommend it enough. And another game that it's a favorite for this year, it is Ghost of Tsushima. I really like the game. It is again very, very well made, and the story and everything. I love it. So both of these were the favorites of this year. I played a lot more games than that, but these were the favorite ones. They are just great and can't recommend them enough. This year was a lot of fun. Of course, traveling is always a favorite thing to mention. I took a cruise this year, which was very different and unique, and I've been visiting a lot of cities, and it was amazing. I am so grateful, and it was so much fun. And yeah, actually today when I'm filming this, I'm going to Cyprus, so another place to go. I am so excited. And yeah, so if you like this video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I will see you next time.